Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious super moist classic carrot cake. And it's going to be a super moist carrot cake recipe made from scratch that is perfect for Easter or any time of the year. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new to my kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on some delicious, super moist, yummy, oh so good, ready for spring, delicious carrot cake. Now to get started, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab a large mixing bowl, and to that we're gonna start adding in our vegetable oil, our white sugar, and our eggs. And with our hand mixer on a medium speed, we're going to begin to beat these three ingredients together until they're fully combined and light in color. And if you'd like to give your carrot cake a little touch of more delicious coconut flavor, you can always swap out the vegetable oil for coconut oil. Or if you want to give your carrot cake a nice autumn, perfect, yummy, delicious flavor packed with apples, you can also swap out the vegetable oil for applesauce. And once those three ingredients are nice and combined, they're light and fluffy, go ahead and scoot them to the side. Grab a medium-sized mixing bowl for your dry ingredients and start adding in your flour, your baking soda, your baking powder, your salt, and your cinnamon. And then give your dry ingredients a quick little whisk. So we have our wet ingredients, we have our dry ingredients, now it's time to put them all together. So we're going to take our dry ingredients and we're going to go ahead and we're going to slowly sprinkle those into our wet ingredients. And then back in with our hand mixer on a low speed, we're going to go ahead and mix these ingredients together for about a minute or two until our carrot cake batter is smooth and just combined. After you have that smooth, just combined carrot cake batter, we can go ahead and start adding in all the fixings. So first up, we're going to add in our shredded carrots, our coconut flakes, our chopped walnuts, our vanilla extract, and our crushed pineapple. Now you can either fold these ingredients in with your spatula, or if you still have your hand mixer handy, go ahead, keep that on a nice low speed, and begin to incorporate your carrots, your coconut, your walnuts, your vanilla, and your crushed pineapple into your carrot cake batter. And once those begin to mix in, go ahead and switch to a medium speed and continue to incorporate all these good, delicious ingredients in for no more than about a minute. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have perfect, super moist, delicious, oh so yummy, classic carrot cake. Now let's go ahead and pour those into our prepared pans. And then pop in the oven and let bake for a good 45 to 50 minutes. Or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our carrot cakes have baked, they've cooled, it smells so good and so delicious. But before we start decorating, we need to go ahead and work on our delicious, fluffy cream cheese frosting. So grab yourself a mixing bowl, and to that you want to add in all of your butter. And then beat on a high speed with your hand mixer until that butter is light and fluffy. Once you have full fluffiness, you want to go ahead and follow up with all of your cream cheese and continue to beat until that cream cheese and that butter is well combined and smooth. And I usually like to whip up my cream cheese and my butter for about a good 5 minutes. After that, you'll want to blend in your vanilla and your salt on a nice low speed with your hand mixer. Now we're going to keep our hand mixer on that same low speed as we begin to incorporate our sifted powdered sugar. So we're going to start off by adding in 1 cup of our sifted powdered sugar and gradually beat that in again on a low speed with your hand mixer. And you want to continue repeating these steps until all of your powdered sugar has been incorporated into your cream cheese frosting. Now this is going to be for 1 batch of cream cheese frosting. If you'd like even more for your carrot cake, I would definitely suggest either doubling or tripling your cream cheese frosting batch. And after all that, you have quick, easy, delicious homemade cream cheese frosting ready for your carrot cake. So let's go ahead and we're going to level in half all of our carrot cakes, and then we're going to take our first layer, add that to our cake turntable, and we're going to fill our first layer with a generous amount of cream cheese frosting. Then we're going to give a hearty sprinkle of crushed walnuts on top of our cream cheese frosting. And then top with our next layer of carrot cake. And you'll want to continue these steps until you have all of your desired delicious super moist carrot cake layers. And if you're following along with me step by step, you will have 4 delicious carrot cake layers. Now that we have our carrot cake filled, stacked, ready to go, it is time to cover with even more dreamy, fluffy, so good homemade cream cheese frosting. So you want to go ahead, start from the bottom, and while rotating your cake turntable, pipe on your cream cheese frosting in an upward motion. Then using a cake frosting scraper, a straight spatula, or an offset spatula, I find the best way is to hold your smoothing tool upright and gently pressed against your cake while rotating your cake turntable. This way your turntable does all the work. And lastly, to top it off, we want to go ahead and we want to take even more crushed walnuts, and with our hand, we want to scoop the walnut crumbs around the carrot cake until it is completely covered. Or if you'd like, you can also omit the crushed walnuts and cover with even more shredded coconut or a nice blend of both. After you're finished covering your cake, you will have a carrot cake recipe that you fall in love with time and time again. That's a perfect balance of flavor with a hint of cinnamon, crunchy walnuts, crushed pineapple, and silky smooth cream cheese frosting. It does not get any better than this. This is why this is my perfect all year round cake. You're gonna love it, pinky promise. You can't go wrong. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun making this delicious, super moist carrot cake. If you're a fan of carrot cake, or if you have your own Easter traditions and your own Easter traditional desserts, definitely know in those comments and give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more tasty recipes, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you're the first to know when I'm baking up some delicious, yummy treats. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid sandwiches to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious carrot cake, or if you're baking up your own yummy Easter spring desserts, definitely give a tag on Instagram and let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna grab some carrot cake. I'm gonna grab some coffee. I'm gonna enjoy the day. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.